Hello everyone, how are you today? Are you happy? Or are you a bit bored? I'm a little bored. I know. Shall we sing some songs and maybe play some games in English? Yeah? Okay, then let's start the lesson. Let's sing the hello song. Are you ready? So let's get our arms ready. Our legs ready, maybe our hands and our feet as well. Here we go. Are we ready? Stretch. Loosen up those legs. Here we go. Hello, hello. Can you clap your hands? Hello, hello. Can you clap your hands? Can you stretch up high? Can you touch your toes? Can you turn around? Can you say hello? Hello. Hello, hello. Can you stamp your feet? Stamp, stamp, stamp. Hello, hello. Can you stamp your feet? Stamp, stamp, stamp. Can you stretch up high? Can you touch your toes? Can you turn around? Can you say hello? Hello. Hello, hello. Can you clap your hands? Hello, hello. Can you stamp your feet? Stamp, stamp, stamp. Well done, guys. Fantastic dancing. Okay, everyone. Why don't we sing a song and you do the actions at home? Are you ready? We all fall down. Walk around the circle, walk around the circle, walking, walking, we all fall down. All right, are you ready to gallop like a horse? Here we go. Gallop around the circle, gallop around the circle, galloping, galloping, we all fall down. Shh, be nice and quiet. Here we go, tiptoe. Tiptoe round the circle, tiptoe round the circle, tiptoe, tiptoe, we all fall down. Shh, I'm ready for a sleep now. Let's just go to sleep, everybody. Oh, sleepy, sleepy, I'm so sleepy. Are you sleeping? Oh, quick, quick, stand up. Stand up, we're going to hop. Are we ready? Hop around the circle, hop around the circle, hopping, hopping, we all fall down. Now we're going to twirl, stretch those arms. Twirl around the circle, twirl around the circle, twirling, twirling, we all fall down. Let's hop. Hopping and twirling, here we go. Right, there we are. Hop around the circle, twirl around the circle, hopping and twirling, we all fall down. Wow, well done everyone. Now, shall we wake up Teddy Bear? Let's see if you remember. What do we have to do? We have to knock 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Are we ready? You knock at home. Nice and loud, okay? Here we go. Knock, knock, knock. You're not knocking. You need to knock louder, okay? Here we go. On 3. 1, 2, 3. I think I heard someone knocking. Was that you at home? Well done. But Teddy's still not awake. You're going to have to help me shout, okay? Here we go. Nice and loud. Wake up, Teddy! Wow, that was a very loud shout. I heard you. Shall we do it one more time? Because, let me just look. Teddy's still sleeping. So, one more time, really loud, okay? So that I can hear you here in Cambridge School. So here we go. On 3. 1, 2, 3. Wake up, Teddy! I could hear you this time. Wow! I think we managed. Oh, hello, Teddy. Oh, you're a bit sleepy today. You sleepy, yeah? Oh, and he's bored. Oh dear, Teddy. Well, don't worry. We're going to sing some songs today and we'll read a story and that will make you much happier. Okay? All right then. Teddy, shall we sing a song all about you? Everyone at home, let's see if you remember this song. My teddy bear has 2 eyes, 2 eyes, 2 eyes. My teddy bear has 2 eyes. I love my teddy bear. My teddy bear has 1 nose, 1 nose, 1 nose. My teddy bear has 1 nose. I love my teddy bear. My teddy bear has 2 ears, 2 ears, 2 ears. My teddy bear has 2 ears. I love my teddy bear. My teddy bear has 2 arms, 2 arms, 2 arms. My teddy bear has 2 arms. I love my teddy bear. My teddy bear has 2 legs, 2 legs, 2 legs. My teddy bear has 2 legs. I love my teddy bear. My teddy bear has 4 paws, 4 paws, 4 paws. My teddy bear has 4 paws. I love my teddy bear. I love my teddy bear. Do you love your teddy bear? Wait a minute. I think there's someone still in my box. Teddy, is there someone in my box? Oh! There is someone in my box. Who could that be? Hop! Oh! Somebody's hopping in my box. Who could that be? Let me look and see. He's got 2 floppy ears. Flop, flop, flop. He's got 1 wiggly nose. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. And he's got a tail that he likes to shake. Shake, shake, shake. Who's in my box? You're right. It's Rabbit. Rabbit's in my box. There he is. He's got his floppy ears. Flop, flop. He's got his wiggly nose. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. He's got his fluffy tail. There he goes. Shake, shake, shake. And Rabbit goes hop, hop, hop. Now, shall we sing the Rabbit Hop song? Let's do it. Okay, everybody, let's sing the Bunny Hops.
We're going to do all the things.
Okay, everybody, let's sing the Bunny Hop song.
In this song, we're gonna do all the things that bunnies do. Let's start with hopping. Okay, let's go. This is the way the bunny hops. Hop, 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 hop. This is the way the bunny hops on Easter Day. What else do bunnies do? Oh yeah, they wiggle their noses. This is the way he wiggles his nose. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. This is the way he wiggles his nose on Easter Day. Now all bunnies have long ears. Let's flop them around. This is the way he flops his ears. Flop, 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 flop. This is the way he flops his ears on Easter Day. Okay, get ready. Now we're gonna shake our little cotton tails. This is the way he shakes his tail. Shake, 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 shake. This is the way he shakes his tail on Easter Day. Okay, all you bunnies, it's time to hop along home. This is the way the bunny hops. Hop, 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 hop. This is the way the bunny hops on Easter Day. On Easter Day.
That was great fun. I love hopping.
Okay everyone, it's story time. Everybody sit down and shh. Let's read a story. Spot's First Easter by Eric Hill. The Easter Bunny has hidden some eggs for you, Spot. Come on, Helen. Let's find them. How many eggs did the bunny hide? Shh! 6. Has Spot found the first egg? Yes! Now Helen has found one. And so have I. Spot and Helen have found 3 eggs. 1, 2, 3. Are there any more? Yes, 3. What's behind the sack, Helen? Another egg. May I have it? Maybe some eggs are inside the house. Sorry, only cheese in here. Squeak, squeak. Has Spot found another egg? Meow! Go away! Oops. Spot, get off the table. Here's one, Helen. Just one more egg to find. Tick-tock, tick-tock. You found the last one, Spot. Did you find all the eggs, Spot? Yes, and we've saved one for you. Happy Easter, Mum. Well, that was a nice story. I hope you liked it.
Mystery box, mystery box. What's inside the mystery box? Mystery box, mystery box. What's inside the mystery box?
Where's the mystery? Oh, I see the mystery box. Here it is. Fantastic. What's inside the mystery box today, I wonder? Oh. Oh. That's exciting. Let's see.
Mystery box, mystery box. What's inside the mystery box? Mystery box, mystery box. What's inside the mystery box?
Let's have a look inside the mystery box. Now, let's have a look inside this mystery box, shall we? Let's listen first. What's that, do you think? Let's listen again. Wow. I'll open up the box and find out. Let's see. Oh! It's eggs! Let's see how many eggs I've got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 eggs. Wow, that's a lot of eggs. Now, let's see. Let's see if there's anything inside the egg. Can you listen? There's something in there. Shall we open and find out? Oh, look. It's a little chick. Oh, it's so small. Shall we see if there's more chicks in the eggs? I can hear one. There's another chick in the egg. Tweet, 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 tweet. Let's open up all the eggs and find out. Here's egg number 3. And a chick. Egg number 4. And a chick. Egg number 5. And a chick. My goodness me. Egg number 6. And a chick. Wow. 6 eggs and 6 chicks. Now, let's sing a song about chicks. Chick, 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 chicken, lay a little egg for me. A chick, 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 chicken, I want one for my tea. Oh, I haven't had one since breakfast, and now it's 3:30. So, chick, 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 chicken, lay a little egg for me. Now I am hungry. I fancy an egg for my tea. Do you? I've got a fun game that we can play with an egg. Back home in Scotland, we play the egg and spoon race. What do we need to do? We get an egg, Mum's and Dad's a boiled egg, and we put it on the spoon. And then we have to walk with our egg. Oh no, it fell off! I put it back on. See if I can walk with my... Oh, it fell off again. You know what? How about I go and get some volunteers and we can have an egg and spoon race in the garden. Do you want to join us? Well, I've found my volunteers. Boys, have you got your eggs?
Yes!
Have you got your spoons?
Yes!
Are you ready for an egg and spoon race?
Yes!
Okay, boys, put your egg on the spoon. On your marks. Get set, Make that egg fall. I'm going to beat you, William. Oh no! Eggs falling. Oh, William came second and Lindsay third. Well, if you want to play an egg and spoon race at home, get yourself a spoon, an egg, and you can play in your garden, your living room, your patio or your terrace. Okay, have fun. Right everyone, I've had some fun and I'm not bored anymore. I'm really happy. Let's sing the bye-bye song. Bye bye, goodbye, bye 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 bye, goodbye. I can clap my hands, I can stamp my feet, stamp, 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 stamp. I can clap my hands, I can stamp my feet, stamp, 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 stamp. Bye bye, goodbye, bye 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 bye, goodbye, bye bye, goodbye, bye 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 bye, goodbye. Ready for the jump? Goodbye. Goodbye everybody. See you at the next lesson. Bye bye.